Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. The first good step was here. We closed above the point 1043 finally for ALCHEMY Pay. For those that have been following the videos, I have made tons of updates. We are going to see the next targets. For the new ones into this video, do not worry about it. I'm going to explain everything with every single detail. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription and of course Patreon/MindYourCrypto. What else? You can join the links down below in the description box and in the comment section, and then I will be sending you a message on Patreon platform. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go right now to see what ALCHEMY Pay is going to do. So eventually right here, daily frame plus 6% outperformed the Bitcoin. However, right now, until now, we are having a slight of correction. Now, things are not looking bearish, okay? Do not worry about that we are bearish right now, but at the end of the day, we follow a little bit Bitcoin's chart, which in the 4-hour frame, if we go right here, you can see that we are having a little bit of a rejection going on, and so ALCHEMY Pay is having the same rejection. However, it tends to get more and more realistic that we go and touch, first of all, the previous top, and secondly, the point 1060. Now, in case that you do not think that this is a bullish pennant right here, I will be having one line that it will be the best for you to know what are we doing. And this is a line right here. You can see the rejection that we are getting. And maybe for you, this is an ascending triangle. Either way, whatever you are going to do, it is not bearish, okay? ALCHEMY Pay is not bearish. And to be honest with you, I think that we could be going all the way up higher. Right now, Bitcoin is finding some rejection, nothing special though. Of course, we have this line right here, which was very crucial to close above, and we did it. Okay, we closed above yesterday into the daily frame. Right now, what I'm expecting ALCHEMY Pay is a little bit of correction and then reaccumulation to the upside. All right, so therefore, things are looking good for ALCHEMY Pay. As you all know, because I like to play with the minimized risk, if you do not have the logarithmic scale right here, if you do not use the logarithmic scale, then you should be having one more target to completely minimize the risk, the point 1045.22. However, as I've told multiple times, I think that the logarithmic scale will work better than the non-logarithmic scale. Sometimes the feds like to play a lot with the non and the logarithmic scale. For me, personally, to be honest with you, the case is right now that I think logarithmic scale will play perfectly fine. I think that we are going to go upwards. I'm not worried about this rejection right here, this mini correction that we are having into the lower time frames. Okay, we see that quite often that when we reach a top, when we close above, we just retrace for a little bit, and then we could be going just pumping even higher. After all, Bitcoin is in a bull cycle. I've told you multiple times from the 17K, and right now we sit at 30,000 Tether USD. Unfortunately, this is the case. Right now we are sitting at 30,000 Tether USD. We could be going all the way up higher, all right? But anyway, it's perfectly fine. ALCHEMY Pay right here, 0.104304, 0.104522 is the maximum target right now. Okay, so look at that. This is what we want actually to close above, but do not worry about that. This is a resistance level that I think it will play out, but not something special. For me, the next price targets are this one and of course the point 1060 that we have talked about multiple times. If anything bad happens, if we are bearish, okay, and something bad happens and we do not go above, then we have some price actions right there. We have some support levels that we should be holding. However, it is not the case right now to talk about bearish things. because right here, ALCHEMY Pay does not look bearish, okay? Even if we have a red day right now, it doesn't matter. Do not worry about that. Even if we have a correction coming in, it doesn't matter in the lower time frames. All it matters is that ALCHEMY Pay is very likely to go very much higher, and you shouldn't be worried about it, okay? So right now, two targets. In case I have this and I didn't have it in my previous updates, in case we have a double top. Okay, there's always a chance you have a double top and you go and get rejected and you never reach the target. But at the end of the day, I think that the 0.1 of 50 will be easily broken above and we are going to go higher. Just wait a little bit more. I'm going to follow with more updates in case anything wrong happens, like crash on Bitcoin that I couldn't predict right, or some bad news that could bring the market down, and therefore ALCHEMY Pay as well. But do not worry about that. For now, we are perfectly fine to go all the way up higher. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.